All right, everyone, get ready to rock InvidiaTrade. Now, this isn't the Nvidia graphics card, but if you're successful, you can buy a bunch of them. What's it all about? Well, let's jump in. What is the best way to trade on the internet? Well, you might be thinking of big exchanges, but we have the coolest technology here. It's regulated, it's licensed, it's secure. It is the way to go. Plus, you'll keep it on top of all the market signals. It's InvidiaTrade. Why is it so awesome? We're going to get into it, but before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, so first, you can rock it with account funding. Now, this is super simple. You do not have to have crypto even to start. You can rock it with debit card, credit, wire, bank, any method you can think of, or your beloved USDT. Boom! Pop that in there, make a deposit. Also, quick withdrawals. You do not have to enter tons of stuff to withdraw. You don't have to put in tons of information. You know, where you had a sandwich 7 years ago, that does not matter, and you can unlock your options right here. You can also toggle this for different visibility, light or dark, but some other reasons are market expertise. We're up on the signals, we know what's going on in the market, and we can help you. The best tech around, trading platforms, signals, different opportunities as well. Also, you get passive income from the affiliate program. Now, how do you do that? Well, you got to sign up, but after you do that, boom, guess what? You get an affiliate. You can share that with your friends and family, and you can make a little bit of money. And trust, amplifying trust. Now, we have all the information here. If you want to learn more about different account types, pairs and stocks, we can teach you about that. You also have different account types, so you can see this little cool NVIDIA thing right here. So, what do you want to trade? You might ask. Forex, indices, commodities. I like me some crypto, but if you want to do stocks, yes, we can do Apple, we can do Intel, we can do Tesla, we can do Nvidia. You can trade Nvidia on Nvidia. How about that? So, that's pretty cool. Now, there's different types of accounts as well. So, we can take a look at that. What do we got? We have the standard. Boom, leverage. You can see the typical spreads and the pairs and the pros, and it just keeps going up. So if you're ready to go, you click on register right here next to login. If you have registered, then simply click on login and get going. Then real quick, we just enter our first name, last name, birthday, city, email, all that stuff, and agree with terms. Then you'll want to check your email, get the confirmation. Let's go. All right, so we inside InvidiaTrade now. Can take a look at the new dashboard, all the cool things that they're doing. But here, I really like this UI. You can see your total balance, also in a pie chart in Bitcoin or US dollar. You can see your wallets here, transfer. Now you would start here with deposit. And then first you'll want to do some verification. So you can see the profile verification, the requirements that you'll need, to get going, the KYC, the selfie, proof of identity. So you do need to do that. So you do need to have an ID or something ready to go. Then you can also see your funds here, how you deposit, how you transfer, and also how you withdraw. You can add different wallets here. You also have the manager here for copy trade. You copy and register, and the different wallets here as well. So we can see United States dollar, Bitcoin, all the awesome stuff that is going down. So check this out and also add more wallets. Right here, we can see the profile info. Now you want to you can also do the verification here, withdrawal presets, and you can toggle between different languages if you need to, and light or dark, depending on your preference. And you can also set withdrawal presets right here after you've done verification. So that is InvidiaTrade in a nutshell. Highly reliable, really easy to use, awesome interface. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you going to trade a little Nvidia on Nvidia or stocks, crypto? What would you trade? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.